So I'm kind of disappointed because I literally just found out about this yesterday after having owned E36s for 5 freaking years. And after daily driving my sedan for 2 years, I literally just found out about this right now. And I feel like it's one of those things that every E36 owner should know, and honestly nobody ever told me about it. I found out because my boy Marcus is one of my good friends on Facebook, and he posted something about when he did a E36 head gasket on his 328 a long time ago, and he has a little picture and he's like, oh, I didn't know my hood could do this, and I'm like, what the fuck is that? And so then I come out here and these cars actually have a service position for the hood. Now of course I would find this out literally the day after we finished putting the M50 B25 in the Cheeto. Like literally the day after. If I had known about this like 4 days ago, my life would have been easier. And a quick reference, this is only on the sedans and TIs. The coupes and convertibles do not do this. Sedan Master Race. So you pop your hood, you gotta work on your car. Bing bada boom, hood is up, right? On sedans and TIs, they have a service position. So what you do is there's a little 10mm bolt right on that guy right there. He'll be kicking it right there. You just undo that thing, and then you can push it up and lock it down. Look at that shit. What is that? How have I not known about that forever? That makes life significantly easier, especially when going for things in the back down here. Like, there is so much room on the upper cowl and back here working on the ECU. Like, this would have been clutch doing the manual swap, and I just had no idea about it. So here's the difference in height from the normal to the service. Nobody talks about these things. Why is this? Why is this not on every post ever about like the coolest shit your car can do? Because that is very, very nice. Of course I find this out freaking the day after we finish putting this bitch in. So not only does it make it a lot easier to work on the motor, but you can also look cool as shit when you're hard parked. And they do these from the factory. Like, this isn't even a mod, they just do this. This is just a thing that they do. This is a thing that they've always done, and I'm just ignorant. Yeah, so here's my drop top, and it's just hard. It doesn't have an option for that at all. It's just hard mounted, and I think that's because the sedans have a shorter hood setup, and that whole front cowl is a lot shorter. That's probably why these things don't do that, because it's pretty much almost touching as it sits. But just the amount of height that you can get out of that is freaking excellent. So I just wanted to make a quick PSA for you guys who have sedans. Life is clearly better owning a sedan, and I'm bummed that I didn't know about this. But if you have a coupe or convertible, then that kind of sucks because your hood doesn't do this. I really like that. I really like that. The longer I own the sedan, the more I love it, and the more it's just better. That's all I'm saying. Same weight, same drivetrain, more rigidity, and it does this. What more could you want? And they look fucking beautiful. Very nice. Alright, so I'm hyped on that. I just want to make a PSA for you guys so that I'm not the only ignorant motherfucker that doesn't know things. So have a good rest of your day. I'll see you guys later.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are